him to go. His best situation right now is just to stay put. Fire crews, they're monitoring our channel. We're in contact with them. We don't know, actually, looking...
We anticipate the rains for a couple of more days, but know that we are not standing alone in our city. I have been in regular communication with our governor. Vice President Harris has reached out to us to let us know on the federal level and on the state level they are there, they are with us, they are standing by, and will be helpful with anything that we need.
Now, at approximately 2:45, LAFD resources responded to a river rescue operation in the Pacoima Wash at Foothill Boulevard. A bystander reported a man jumped into the flowing water in pursuit of his dog. Now, LAFD firefighters successfully rescued the resident and his dog in a coordinated operation. LAFD operations lowered a rescuer into the water who was able to grab the patient, who was still conscious. He was later treated at a local hospital, and his canine was able to swim to the edge and escape the rapids. The rescue is a dramatic example of why we are asking residents to please stay away from the LA River and other moving water.